YouTube, what is good? As you can see, today we got two young barbers here with me today. This is
Zeke.
And this is
Nathan.
And how long have you guys been cutting for?
Well, I've been cutting for around like 2 months. Only did like 5 haircuts so far.
5 haircuts. And then what about you?
About probably like 7 months now.
7 months. So my guy has some experience. My guy has little to no experience.
Yeah.
So we're gonna flip-flop the roles. The guy that's done about 5 haircuts is gonna cut this guy, and we're gonna see exactly how it comes out. I'm gonna try to walk him through it. So let's get to it, man. All right, go ahead and drape him up, man. Get to it. God, what you doing?
Big neck.
I'm over here trying to help you out.
Yeah.
Over here trying to help him out. Saying I got a big ass neck.
Man, how you feeling on a scale of 1 to 10? How nervous are you?
He's struggling to put the next strip on.
Hey.
How nervous are you first?
I'm nervous. I'm hyped for it though, for real.
Okay, how about you? How nervous are you?
I'm confident.
You confident, man? Let's get it, bro.
He's been trying to come out here for like the past 2 months.
Hey, worst case scenario, I'm here.
Yeah.
We gonna fix it.
Let's hope I don't gotta go bald.
So what kind of cut we doing today, man? You gotta consultate him first. Come on.
Alright, I got this. What cut you want today?
I want a high taper.
High taper, okay.
My eyebrows done.
Eyebrows done, okay.
And my little peach fuzz lined up.
Peach fuzz lined up?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
want to get rid of this
What
little
is
peach fuzz?
that?
Yeah, all of this, you feel me? I want to leave all of this, bro.
You want to leave?
Yeah, because it's
trying to get a beard?
It's sticking out too much.
You want me to
Okay,
get that
okay.
dirt on your lip?
Nah, bro, you violating me, man.
Alright, I got you.
We got the wall magic clips, as you can see. We got our purple and black Babyliss.
Right.
We got our Babyliss Snap FX, which is what I would suggest because these is fire. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get you right. However you want to start, man, get to it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm nervous. Alright, we're gonna go with this first.
It's no pressure. It's no
Pick out
pressure.
your hair. Pick out your hair. Oh, I'm walking.
And don't be scared to turn the chair. The chair move.
forgot,
The chair
yeah.
move.
Cause my chair don't move like this.
He ain't really curling yet. Not too
Not
much.
yet, he just got
Not
curling.
too much. We're on the way though. You don't got no product in here?
Nah, not really.
Yeah. So for a high taper, where you gonna set the ball line at? Yup. So you'll go from the top right here to where the ear connects to the head.
Oh, we're gonna do the thumbnail?
Oh, it is. Oh, I almost got the thumbnail. What was I thinking?
Oh, I just remember
Oh shoot. Oh, it's content day for real. Here, turn this way real quick. Let me figure out exactly how I want to do it.
I'll be saying.
All right, so I'm gonna have you like pick up the hair with the, you're not gonna cut his hair obviously with the scissors and just kind of like be like this, like make a whatever nervous face or normal face. For you, I want you to look at like the camera and like a panic, like this, like real exaggerated.
That's OD stuff.
Yeah, and then trying to figure out what direction I'm gonna come from. We're at 5, 4, 3, 2. So that's kind of cool. I see the potential. So man, Zeke, what got you into cutting hair? Which is the guy in the chair? What got you into cutting hair?
To be honest, it was just my dad, because at a young age he was always cutting hair. He always had people pulling up to the house. You know, I was just always seeing him doing this thing with that, and I recently picked it up like 7 months ago for real. Yeah.
Man, how's it been so far? You see a future in it? Is this something you want to do?
Yeah, potentially. I want to, get my own little place and maybe have like a little room just designated, for cutting my clients and everything.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro, don't do that.
Sir, I see the line. Now how you gonna get rid of that one in the middle?
So to get rid of this line right here, I gotta go in with closed.
Yup, come in closed. And then you'll open it just little by little.
Okay.
Oh, I like that corner work. Yes, sir. I like that corner work.
Watch some video of that, bro.
You said you like Mexican music, right? I get you right. I forgot.
Line up for real.
Your lineup? I'm not gonna lie to you, you'd be the first person I ever
You can have a good face.
I'll tell him that.
But if that lineup's messed up,
Oh, let's come over this side.
And
Let's see the
this is
facial
the-
expressions.
This is to blend into the hair, ain't it?
So go ahead and kind of break this darkness up. So you'll come in just like this.
This with closed.
So now you always start off open. Look at that. That's blurry for real. I ain't gonna lie, this is a little blurry. you doing good, bro. For real, for real.
Alright, bro. Like.
So what's crazy is he got you into cutting hair, right?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah. How did that happen? Like, what about him made you want to start cutting?
So I've always wanted to start like cutting hair. Like,
Yeah.
Because I always thought it was like satisfying watching. I used to watch like little short videos on TikTok and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I always thought it was fire and like fun to do. And then he moved over here to where we are right now. And I seen him started to cut. And I was like, okay. So I let him cut my hair one time and we just started talking about hair cutting and stuff like that. How he wants. And how eventually someday he'd like to, you know, get a shop and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And so we was just talking about getting a shop together. I was like, man, I'll get a shop. I'll start learning how to cut hair for sure.
Yeah.
And so and then after that, after doing my first haircut, I started falling in love with it. Ever since then, I love cutting hair now. Just always have fun with it. Super satisfying to do.
That's so dope, man. And now look, he cutting you up.
I was that inspirational.
Yeah, you're him for real. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, we scoping. Scoping for sure. That boy red.
Yeah,
Let's see.
This chick's in red.
Damn, Nate. Your ears turning red too? Crazy.
It's okay, you doing good, bro. You really
I
is.
got eczema.
Eczema?
I got eczema.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this shot right here is tough. You look focused. YouTube, look at that taper, bro. This is the 6th cut. Look at that taper, bro. Talk to him nice.
Playing with me.
So now come a little, open that 2-guard and come a little behind the ear because he has some weight right here. Yeah. You didn't think you was gonna be cutting today, did you? Nathan was supposed to pull up and just watch and cut, but I had 2 cancellations. So I was like, hey man, call Zeke up here, bro. We're gonna go ahead and try to get some dope content out of this. So here we are. And shout out Zeke for being, you know, down for this.
Yeah, nothing to say
number 6.
Bro, I was not expecting this.
I'm just here trying to remember when I first did my first haircut, bro. I was so nervous. It was on myself at that, bro. I took like 3 hours.
And
I didn't even have like a handheld mirror. My mom had like 3 blocked mirrors on the wall.
Oh yeah.
I said, "Ma, I gotta put these down." So I had a blocked mirror that's supposed to go on the wall in my hand. Then I had the one on the wall with some cheap clippers.
I have 2 mirrors in my room, and then I have a handheld.
Yeah.
But I still just don't be cutting my own.
I'm about to fart, but I ain't gonna do that to you. I'll come over here.
Make sure you don't get in the fan.
I know. Yeah, look down, son.
Why aren't you looking at your toes?
Say no. On a scale of 1 to 10, how you think he's doing right now?
It's good, but my neck hurt a little bit right now.
Go ahead and stretch it out. Stretch it out, bro. Stretch it out. You gotta speak up, bro.
I'm cramping, man.
Bro, you're not telling
How
me
you
nothing,
feeling? You
bro.
tired? You tired? I know you focused. I know you a little
Yeah, I'm
gassed.
very focused. My back hurts though.
It's not bad though. We only really an hour in, and we're almost towards the end. I'm not gonna lie, it is low key hard to watch this, and I want to do everything.
Right.
So this makes me want to just grab the clippers and be like, let's go.
You're like feeding the kid.
So yeah. What y'all think about that neck taper? Drop it down in the comments, man. I think that's solid right there. Look at that. That line coming out clean. I feel like a proud dad. Front line gonna be something different. That boy gonna barely touch it. He gonna be down here like.
For real. He gonna be on my eyebrow.
So now we can get into the front line. Yes, sir. So come here. All right. So what you want to do is you want to start in the middle, as natural as possible. And I'm just gonna bring it to either the left or the right, whichever you feel more comfortable with.
You better not do that lip crank shit, man.
No, I was talking about bro.
Yeah,
You don't want to just come in and not hold nothing, because you don't know if the client gonna move all of a sudden. So you want to make sure that you're holding their head and then go, because it gives you a form of stabilizing. You see?
Okay.
And you can put a finger on their eyebrow.
Yeah. Right. Got my finger shaking.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
So stand on the side of him.
Yeah.
And we're gonna come right to that line. So this is Nathan's cut. Not bad at all. Gonna keep turning, keep turning. the neck taper.
Clean,
You did not do bad, bro. You did not do bad. This is really good. YouTube, you see what we got going on. This is after I went back in detail. Just some of it. I didn't have to do much because Nate got them right. So like I said,
Yes, sir.
this is Nathan, this is Zeke. What's your IG?
My IG is Nate_the Barber, DA, the Barber.
What about you?
Bless my Z.
Yes, sir. YouTube, I appreciate you. And like always, I will catch y'all next time. Peace. But YouTube family, I need a favor. All right, your boy was nominated for a Grammy. Yes, I said a Grammy, a Barber Grammy at the CT Connecticut Barber Expo. And I need your vote. All right, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to cast your vote. So what I need you to do is open up Google. I'm sure most of you guys know how to get there. And then you're gonna type in CT Barber Expo, just like right here at the top. And then you're gonna press on the website, let that load, press the 3 tabs at the top, and you're gonna go to Grammy nominees. All right, so when you go to Grammy nominees, that's gonna load. You wanna go under creative content and press vote now. Now the creative content is for the barber who has the best creative content of the year. And when you open it, I'll be the first one at the top. So you're gonna go ahead and press vote now. And then you're gonna type in all your information. In this case, it's me, obviously, with your email. Let's pretend that went through. And then you're gonna go right here and press J Clipper Hands and press submit, man. That's all you guys have to do. Listen, I need your vote. It would mean the world to me if I can get this award. I appreciate all the support and love you guys have given me this far. But I need this favor, man. Again, go to ctbarberexpo.com and vote J Clipper Hands for creative content of the year. But fam, like always, I appreciate you. And I will catch y'all next time. Peace.